Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So today is actually July 4th, Independence Day for us here in the United States. And that's why we're all decked out in red, white, and blue. Anyhow, we're gonna do burgers tonight, but I'm gonna add a special jalapeno aioli sauce to these. I'm gonna show you how to make the aioli sauce and then just basically fry up the burgers using my grill grates. First time using the backside for the grill grates. See how that works out. And then put the burgers together, dribble that sauce on it. And then my wife, she has a special thing she wants to try on a burger too. So we'll add that at the end and see how it turns out. So come along, let's enjoy this cook with us. Okay, for this aioli sauce, we need some olive oil mayonnaise, choose from 1 lime, 1 diced jalapeno, a couple of cloves of garlic, some sea salt, fine, kosher salt's fine too, some cumin, and then some cilantro. So we're gonna get this all chopped up, prepared, get it in a food processor, blend it, and we'll come back at that point. Okay, we have 3/4 cups of mayo, olive oil mayo. Put that down in here. About 3/4 cups of finely packed cilantro. So let's put some of that down in there. Got about 2 cloves of garlic chopped up. Put that in there. 1 jalapeno, deveined, de-seeded, and then diced. Let's make sure we get all that in there. We got about a half of a lime juiced here. Pour that in there. Then you want about 3/4 of a teaspoon of cumin. Pop this up, see, keep it. I'm gonna say right about there. And you want about a teaspoon of kosher salt, fine grain. Put that down in there. Yeah, something like that. All right. Okay. So now we just want to blend this until it's a creamy paste. So let's get it all on here. Let's get it all mixed up. Oh yeah, let's get it all. Oh yeah. Let's give it one final mix and then we'll call it good. Look at that. Oh, that is good. Oh yeah. All right, let's get this in a plastic bowl and put it in the fridge for an hour. Okay, So now we're going to take our jalapeno aioli and we're going to stick it in the fridge for an hour so those flavors can all kind of blend together. And then we'll get out and make our burgers. Oh, this is going to be so good. Can't wait. Okay, for tonight's hamburger cook, we're going to use the old blue SSP tonight. And what you'll see is, got my grate on here. We're going to be using the grill grates, but we're not using this side. We're going to use this side, like that. Something like that. So our coals are up and they're burning pretty good. Let's get them dumped into these baskets. Move these down out of that heat a little bit. Okay, here's our burger. Here's our jalapeno aioli sauce. We're gonna just take this and we're gonna just dribble it over the top of it, like so. Look at there. Cheeseburger with aioli with a jalapeno aioli sauce. That's pretty good. Wow. Oh yeah, I like that. Gotta keep my napkin handy. That is really, really good. I highly recommend this aioli sauce. Now, if you want to make it a little more spicy, leave a little more of the vein in, probably kick it up a notch. These aren't spicy at all, but you can definitely taste jalapeno. What my wife suggested doing is she picked up these jalapeno poppers. She got these TGIF frozen section. She said put that on there. So let's see if we can do that. See if that'll burn my mouth. That's actually really good too. Got that cream cheese in there, just pops right out. Wow. You might want to do that. Add those poppers to your burger. It adds it to a whole other level. Oh yeah, that's really good. So, I don't want to eat all the way in front of you. But cheers. All right. So you saw what we did there. We made the jalapeno aioli sauce. You know, I'll have the list of ingredients down in the description and how we blended it, and then let it sit for an hour and kind of harden up. Then I used my grill grates, flipped them over. Those burgers, they came out great. They're about a little over, they're somewhere in between 1/4 and 1/2 pound per burger. And then just put American cheese on it. So yeah, and then you know, I kind of toasted the buns a little bit, maybe a little too much. Fire's pretty hot on the old Weber behind me. Those grill grates are awesome. I just can't say enough about them. Using them like I did. Probably should have kept them off the indirect. You know, I put them right over the heat, so they got done rather quickly. Anyway, you know, and then I made my burger the way I like it. I like it with pickles and onions and tomatoes. We like red onions. And then I put a little bit of ketchup and then dribbled that aioli sauce over it, and it's delicious. So, you know, definitely recommend that you try this aioli sauce. You can lighten it up by adding more mayonnaise, regular mayonnaise, and kind of give it a little more thicker, you know, more like a mayonnaise if you want. But the way it is just perfect too. Well, anyway, my friends, thank you for watching. You could do this too. It's not that hard. Until next time, grill on.